Well, cracked lens or not, I'm going to do one more follow-up. I'm not going to be as nice about this one on aluminum repair as I was on the other one. The other one, I do like the snap-on machine, but, and it's really no fault of the snap-on aluminum dent repair system. It's a fault of the manufacturers going to a material that's just not going to be easily repaired, if repaired at all. Looks like the best way to fix the aluminum is to replace it. Let me do a little follow-up here and see if we can get some close enough pictures here. Okay, there's a pin. I managed to get that pin, and that pin. Well, those two pins, one there and one there, to stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pins did not stick. That one pulled a hole in it. I tried to reset a pin in its old hole, and what it did, it just started melting all the way through it. You know what's going to happen? I'll tell you what's going to happen with this. I can tell you exactly what's going to happen with this. It's going to give the body man a black eye again. Years ago, in the 70s, 60s, and 70s, the way to fix these dents was to just knock a hole in the damn metal, screw a screw in it, snatch it out, pack the mud to it. I tell you, that's about what's going to happen now, because it just does not repair. A lot of these body men out there all across America that ain't going to have the money, they're just going to take a hammer, beat that son of a bitch in, and they ain't going to care how deep it is, and they're just going to pack Bondo on it. Because if you can't get it to repair, even with the best of the systems, the highest dollar systems, and it still won't repair, even the shops that buy the repair tools, and as experienced as I am, I'm still having trouble with it. There's going to be a lot of shit repairs in the next 10 years on these aluminum trucks. I guarantee if you're going to buy a used aluminum truck, you better know what to look for, because there's going to be a lot of shifty body men hiding a lot of shifty work. And I hate to say it, I hate seeing anybody put a black eye on our industry, but this is going to be a black eye on the industry. It's another reason why I'm glad I only got a few more years before I'm out. Good luck.